Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add your signature or your note on AOL. So let's go ahead and start the video. Open AOL Mail and log into your account on any of the browser you have on your PC. After you do so, what you need to do is click on the settings, which is over here, and click on More Settings. After you click on More Settings, what you need to do is click on Writing Mail, scroll a bit down, and you can see the signature option over here, and it is currently turned off. To turn it on, click on this button and make it turn blue. Now you can see that you can attach files, write something, or you can also write down your signature. And you can see you can also change the text color, the font, and you can also align it according to your wish. So if you want to write down a text over here or your personal link, so you can write down like this. So I'm going to enter my LinkedIn link over here. So I'll just go ahead and open LinkedIn and go to my feed. After I go to my feed, I'll copy my link over here, paste it and click save. So you can see that my LinkedIn link has been added. Now you can write something like, hey, I am your name. So you can write something like this and inform about yourself to others. And you can see that this will be saved. Then go back to inbox, go to settings once again, go to more settings, go to writing email, and you can see that your signature has been changed and it is saved. Now if you want to disable it with a single touch, you can disable your signature as well. So guys, this is how you add your signature on AOL Mail. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.